Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. I Chaitali Vyas welcome you in Junior KG class. Children, today we are going to learn in numeracy space about clock. Do you know what is the clock? A clock is a device used to tell the time. A clock is an important and useful device
that helps us to lead systematic and organized life.
बच्चों, आज हम क्लॉक के बारे में सीखने वाले हैं। क्लॉक को हिंदी में घड़ी कहते हैं। बच्चों, आपको पता है आपकी मम्मा आपको बोलती है चलो उठ जाओ, मॉर्निंग हो गई, 7 o'clock हो गए, तो मम्मा को कैसे पता चलता है? मम्मा कहाँ देखती है? मम्मा क्लॉक में देखती है। मम्मा आपको बुलाती है चलो खाने आ जाओ, 12 o'clock हो गए, तो मम्मा क्लॉक में देख के बोलती है कि चलो बच्चों अब खाने का टाइम हो गया, सोने का टाइम हो गया। तो मम्मा भी आपको जो भी टाइम बोलती है ना, वो क्लॉक में देख के बोलती है। तो आज हम सीखेंगे क्लॉक के बारे में। टू नो मोर अबाउट क्लॉक, let's open our workbook page number 120.
Please open Maths class workbook page number 120. It is an analog clock. Here are numbers 1 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hello, I am a clock. I show time. I have two hands. Long hand is called minute hand. Short hand is called hour hand. It is a short hand. It is a long hand. Short hand is at 3. Long hand is at 12. So it is 3 o'clock. Short hand is at 1 and long hand is at 12. So it is 1 o'clock. Now, short hand is at 2 and long hand is at 12. So it is 2 o'clock. There is 60 minutes in 1 hour. So now, short hand is at 3 and long hand is at 12. So it is 3 o'clock. Let's fast forward another 60 minutes. Now, short hand is at 4 and long hand is at 12. So it is 4 o'clock. Let's fast forward another 60 minutes. Now, short hand is at 5 and long hand is at 12. So it is 5 o'clock. Let's fast forward another 60 minutes. Short hand is at 6 and long hand is at 12. So it is 6 o'clock.
Now we will do an exercise in our workbook page number 121.
Please open Maths class workbook page number 121.
Okay children, hope you like this video. Bye. Take care of yourself.
Write down today's date over here. Today's date is 2/2/22 dot 2 dot 2121. Write the time below each clock. Now tell me, what time is it? Shorthand is at 12 and longhand is also at 12. So it is 12 o'clock. So we will write 1, 2, 1 to 12, put 2 dots, 0, 0. It is 12 o'clock. Now tell me, what time is it? Shorthand is at 3, longhand is at 12. So it is 3 o'clock. So we will write 3, put 2 dots, 0, 0. It is 3 o'clock. Now tell me, what time is it? Shorthand is at 2 and longhand is at 12. So it is 2 o'clock. So we will write 2, put 2 dots, 0, 0. It is 2 o'clock. Now tell me, what time is it? Shorthand is at 1 and longhand is at 12. So it is 1 o'clock. So we will write 1, put 2 dots, 0, 0. It is 1 o'clock. Now tell me, what time is it? Shorthand is at 7 and longhand is at 12. So it is 7 o'clock. So we will write 7, put 2 dots, 0, 0. It is 7 o'clock. Now tell me, what time is it? Shorthand is at 5 and longhand is at 12. So it is 5 o'clock. So we will write 5, put 2 dots, 0, 0. It is 5 o'clock. Now tell me, what time is it? Shorthand is at 9 and longhand is at 12. So it is 9 o'clock. So we will write 9, put 2 dots, 0, 0. It is 9 o'clock. Now tell me, what time is it? Shorthand is at 4, longhand is at 12. So it is 4 o'clock. So we will write 4, put 2 dots, 0, 0. It is 4 o'clock. Now tell me, what time is it? Shorthand is at 10, longhand is at 12. So it is 10 o'clock. So we will write 1, 0, 1, 0, 10. Put 2 dots, 0, 0. It is 10 o'clock. Now tell me, what time is it? Shorthand is at 6, longhand is at 12. So it is 6 o'clock. So we will write 6, put 2 dots, 0, 0. It is 6 o'clock. Now tell me, what time is it? Shorthand is at 8 and longhand is at 12. So it is 8 o'clock. So we will write 8, put 2 dots, 0, 0. It is 8 o'clock. Now tell me, what time is it? Shorthand is at 11, longhand is at 12. So it is 11 o'clock. So we will write 1, 1, 11, put 2 dots, 0, 0. It is 11 o'clock. Please complete homework book page number 61.